Looking to boost your immune system this flu season? My name is Daniel Fequiere, founder and CEO of Fequiere Fitness, and I like to share with you this quick and easy immune boosting smoothie recipe. You can support your immune function with smoothies like these, rich in fruits, vegetables, and other nutritional boosters. This daily habit can help prevent illness and provide necessary nutrients to help fight off colds and flu this season. Let's see the ingredients. The ingredients that we'll be using today is 4 clementines or tangerines, organic golden light guave, simply organic cinnamon, simply organic turmeric, ground ginger, salt, So Delicious dairy-free coconut yogurt, unsweet vanilla silk almond milk, frozen banana, peaches, and baby carrots.